Hello everyone and welcome to this release news on Bimfire 2025.2 May release. So the What's New dialog box is not shown by default at Revit Naviate Startup for new installs. So when you fire up Revit, you would notice that you get this pop-up to say what's new within Revit. That no longer appears by default. You have to be able to go in and switch that on. If you update Naviate by running the MSI files, though, without first uninstalling the previously installed Naviate applications, the previous settings for what's new will be kept. So if you don't uninstall and you reinstall, then you will still have that pop-up appearing. So best thing to do if you don't want it to appear is just go to About and What's New. So this is the dialog pop-up that we're talking about. And if you do not want to have it, then make sure this is switched off. And if you do want to have it available, then just click on Show this welcome screen at Startup. There are two main fixes with Naviate Bimfire: wall connection parameter copy and with wall connection. The wall connection parameter copy will now copy all materials and their thicknesses and not only the structural material as it previously was doing. And with the wall connection, the wall height is now copied correctly from walls that have been attached to top or had its profile edited. And that was the main items in terms of fixes and updates with Naviate Bimfire. There is one other important factor though. You now have the ability to download Naviate Accelerate, which is part of this release. So don't miss out on that. Go to the webpage and read about the release news in Accelerate and do that. And there is a new licensing in the Naviate for Revit 2025 products, and you can also read about that if you click on the link available in that website.